Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show you 3 ways on how to post highest quality videos on Instagram in 2021 using any editing software. You can check out my Instagram to see how my videos are actually look like. But here's the thing, your goal is to make the video small enough that Instagram will use it without any transcoding. So first and free way is just using the website called Vimeo.com. Yeah, you got it right. Just use the other website. So first you have the video. It should be vertical, like a story, or like a square, or 4:5 ratio. Actually, Facebook and Instagram recommends videos to be at 4:5 ratio. So it's a little bit taller than square. Then you go to Vimeo.com, upload your video, wait until it converts in multiple formats, and boom. So you have it. You can download compressed video that will look great on the phone. They actually compress it at multiple formats, and the trick is to choose that will work good on the phone. So you have multiple choices here. I'm usually trying to have it under 30 megabytes. So these are actually rules from Facebook for advertisers. No matter how long your video, it should be under 30 megabytes. And it's actually the 4K video. It's already like my file was about 200 megabytes, but right now it suggests me to download the 4K video, and it's only 20 megabytes. 2K at 8 megabytes, I can do 1080 at 5 megabytes, and the quality will be the greatest. So 5 megabytes, this is all we need, right? It serves the purpose, and it's actually exactly right for, you see, I have 15 seconds video, and it's under about 5-6 megabytes, right? So times 4, it will be around like around 20 megabytes. And now you can drop this file on your phone, and you can actually send the file. Press this button, send the file. It will give you a separate link. You just press like allow downloads, and now you have the link, which will look exactly you see like link copied, right? So this is basically the link. So and it will look on your phone exactly like it is right now, and you will have to press the button and just like download the 1080 and post it on Instagram from there. If you find this idea helpful already, please subscribe to my channel, and let's discuss other 2 options. So second way to achieve that, and it's actually easier, but you have to pay for it. So using the schedule web service, it's called Later.com. This app actually for scheduling posts on the Instagram and the Facebook. So it has like a lot of features, but the trick is that web service actually converts the video really well for Instagram, and the post you see on my Instagram is from using that application. So for this thing to work, you have to have a paid subscription. Unfortunately, I think they have a free trial, so you can use it and see how it all works for you. But the good thing, once you drop your video here, it will convert everything and post it for you. You can actually add tags here. You can add mentions, and it will post for you. One problem is that for it to like fully work on your behalf you have to have a business account with Instagram. But don't worry, without business account, it will send you a follow-up, just push a notification on your phone and send you a video file. Just click to download it and post it from your phone. That's easy. So you have already 2 tips how to post the video. The third one is actually to tackle settings in the Premiere, and a lot of other YouTubers actually teach you and guide you on that. There is multiple settings on Premiere, Final Cut, and iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Without like going deep into settings in one particular software, I will just share you like a general idea what you want to approach. The goal is actually to have video under 30 megabytes, as I said, right? And then in the best quality possible. So just like the small enough, but it's in the best quality. Basically what you want to have is 1080 by 1080. This is like a square video. If you want something taller, right, like a story, it should be 1080 by 1920. And anything in between, right? You don't have to go above that, you don't have to go smaller than that. Once again, I will not dive deep in each software, but basically you want to use H.264 codec. This is actually they show on their website here. Here you see they tell you, right? You need the file format MP4, MOV, ratio 4:5, compression. It's the codec is H.264. Yeah, at least 1080 by 1080, and anything like beyond that would be better. And the key is to actually drop down the bitrate of the video. Say around 3 to 5,000 should get you there. If your video under 15 seconds, you can do higher bitrate and higher quality, or if it's 60 seconds, you will have to drop it down a bit to maybe like 3 to 4,000. Just like rough estimate. With trial and error, you will see the quality that will work for you, and and the video will look good on the Instagram. So please subscribe to my channel if you think that these ideas were helpful to you. And so there we have it. You can use Vimeo.com, you can use Later.com, and you can export directly from your software. The last one will require trial and error, but in the next videos I will try to show you like the best settings I have from Premiere, for Final Cut and DaVinci Resolve. Have a good one, guys.